Meaning of herringbone.
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 Herringbone. Herringbone is a pattern consisting of slanted parallel lines with alternating directions, resembling the bones of a fish. The pattern is commonly used in textiles, flooring, and architecture. The herringbone pattern is created by placing rectangular blocks or tiles at a 45-degree angle to create a V-shape. It adds visual interest and texture to surfaces and can give a space a classic and timeless look. The herringbone pattern has been used for centuries and continues to be a popular design element in modern interiors and fashion.